baby.
Good morning.
Wake up.
This is our room for today.
This is our view. It has amazing view. The weather is very nice here. Everywhere was raining. Here the weather is very good. But the weather conditions looks it's gonna rain every day. Our hotel now. We are going to Mirissa city center. Our hotel is around 6 kilometers away from the city center, and now we're going to the Mirissa. This is the famous Coconut Hill. We will go there, but it's raining. We will take some photo. Maybe we will wait for the rain to stop, or I don't know. Because of the rain, it's so slippery. That's why it's so difficult to get down. But
Oh my god!
we're gonna always manage.
Okay.
Slippery.
Ya sen neden büyük ayakkabıları mı izledin?
I think because of my flip-flops and getting down easier than Selen. Be careful. We are going to Parrot track now. Over there. We walked Parrot track from Coconut Hill. It took around 15 minutes, but it's amazing walking paths. We really enjoyed. They call this Parrot track because it looks like parrots. They say it looks like parrot, but for me actually it doesn't look like anything, just looks like a rock. Next to the Parrot Beach, there are many restaurants, cafes and bars, so you can enjoy your evening here, and we're going to drink something. We visited Coconut Hill. After that, Parrot Track. But we couldn't climb Parrot Track because we were already wet and we got dried. We didn't want to get wet again. We are in the, I think there are many restaurants here after the Parrot Track. You will see many restaurants over here. This is very live place. We thought Sri Lanka is not alive, but it is very live here. There are many restaurants, bars, and happy hour now. They make some discounts. We pay for the cocktails around 400 rupee.
Because it's happy hour.
Yeah, because it's happy hour. Normally they have 300 rupee discount during the happy hour. While it's 700 rupee, now it is 400 rupee. It may be a marketing strategy, I don't know, but still the weather is very nice. No rain at the moment, and also the color of the sky looks really amazing. I don't know what color is this. Oh my god. We've been welcomed by a very beautiful turtle on the beach. It was really so beautiful, trying to dig a hole, and I think it was going to drop some eggs. We took some shots and then we didn't want to disturb more, and then we left it alone. In December, usually it doesn't rain. It's the normal season to visit here. But this year, for 10 months, it didn't rain. Now for the last 2 months, it is raining. In the 12 months, they saw only 2 months raining. Everybody, all locals are complaining about it because of the plantations. Checked out from our hotel and we are now going to Midigama from Mirissa. We really love Mirissa so much, so if you like the nightlife or if you want to be in the very social area, I would recommend you to stay in the Mirissa Beach. Our hotel was a little bit far away from Mirissa Beach, but it wasn't a problem because we liked the hotel so much and the view of the hotel very good, and our location was wilder than the other parts of the Mirissa, so that's why we enjoy so much with so many animals.